What's going on, people of YouTube? Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing you how to fix a tire at home. Do it yourself. You don't even have to bring it to a mechanic. So over here, what we got a screw. This happened today actually. I was driving back home, and all of a sudden I heard dun 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 dun. Stopped the car, and sure enough, got a screw. Luckily, about a month ago, same thing happened. So what I did, I went to Walmart, got myself tire tackle, tire repair kit. You can get this for like literally like $6. So the first thing that we're gonna have to do is get this nail out of the tire. It's coming. Alright, so now that that's out, you gotta hurry up and grab this tool right here. What you're gonna wanna do, stick this in there. You're gonna wanna clean that out. You want to get all that dirt and all that gunk out of that hole. It's okay if you're losing air at this point. It's inevitable. But you just want to clean that hole out. I should a little bit. Alright, next step. I should have done this beforehand. Should have been more prepared. But what you're going to want to do is stick this rubber piece in between this tool right here. Rubber tool. See, if this was on the front tire, it'd be a lot easier. Because if it was on the front tire, I'd be able to just turn the wheel and have the nail pointing up, so I can just put all my pressure into it. It's on the back tire. I don't have a whole lot of room to do anything, so I'm in an awkward position trying to shove this tool into the tire. Alright, I finally got it in. So once you get it in, you're going to want to twist it and then pull out. Just like that. Let's go, baby.